It was a day of heated arguments in Parliament. And no, it's not just over the electoral reforms bill, but Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan was hugely upset today in Rajya Sabha after a personal remark by a member was made at her. This while she was speaking on a narcotics drugs bill. She did not then pull any punches, most of which were directed at the Treasury bunches, that's the government, and also the chair. In one of her statements, she says you should be fair and not support any particular political party. The BJP MP, Rakesh Sinha, then raised a point of order and then it led to a verbal spat. At the end of it, Jaya Bachchan can be heard saying, "आप लोगों के बुरे दिन आएंगे."
पर मैं आपको धन्यवाद नहीं देना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि समझ में नहीं आता कि जब आप इस तरफ से चिल्ला के वेल में जाते थे उस वक्त को याद करूं या आज आप कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं तो उस वक्त को याद करूं। सर, दुख की बात तो यह है कि ये ऐसा वक्त है जहां बड़े-बड़े चीजों
They are casting a person on the chair. This is the degradation of the house. This is not the custom of the house that you are casting. Any member can be the chair. Anybody can sit on the chair. You cannot degrade the member. Chair. Kindly remove it. And go for the record. And warn the member not to use this another time. Same thing.
Okay. I will go through the record. If something is there, it will be expunged. And I will request the honourable member to start her speech.
Sir, thank you for calling me honourable. And if you really believe I'm honourable, then listen to me carefully. We want justice. Don't expect justice from there. But can we expect it from you? How are you protecting the members of this house or the 12 members sitting outside? How are you protecting them?
Madam, you are going to speak on narcotic bill.
I am going
it's
to
not
speak.
narcotic bill
I
you
am
are
going
saying.
to speak.
It looks like you are not interested in the bill.
Discussions बाकी
You are not interested in the fight narcotics. Please.
बोल रहे हैं मेरा मौका है बोलने का
आपका मौका है बोलने का नारकोटिक्स बिल पर
मुद्दे हैं डिस्कस करने के लिए और मगर हम लोगों ने 3-4 घंटे दिए क्लरिकल एरर डिस्कस करने के लिए व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन दिस इज टेरेबल। और आप सबसे मैं ये कहना चाहती हूं, आप बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? आप लोग बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? देखिए, आपके बुरे दिन बहुत जल्द आने वाले हैं।
Honorable member, you are honorable member. Please address the chair.
बहुत जल्दी आने वाले हैं। अगर आपके अंदर इतनी
If you have something, please address the chair. You don't have to reply to him.
सर, बात भी ना करने दें।
आप एड्रेस कीजिए शेयर को।
भी ना बैठे।
आप शेयर को
चलाई छोड़ दीजिए हम लोगों का। आप लोग चलाइए। क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? What are you saying? Tell me what are you saying? Have the courage to stand up and speak and make such nasty remarks.
I think you are not
What are you
interested.
saying?
I think you are not interested. I am calling the next member.
सर, ये जो बोल गए ये आप रखेंगे?
I think
ये जो अभी बोल के गए वो आप रखेंगे?
आपका जो
I
बोला
expect you to take action on the comment that he made about me and my career. Please.
That will be.
You want to be fair? You're sitting on the chair. You don't belong to any party, sir. You do justice, or you tell the whole house and the entire country that you don't believe in justice. He made a personal remark on me.
आप विषय पे नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
He made a personal remark on me.
एक शब्द भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
How dare he do it? You have to protect
If
the
you have to
house.
fight, if you have intention to fight, this is not the forum. I am very sorry. I am calling the next speaker.
Sir, how can they make personal remarks in the house? How can they make personal remarks in the house? बड़े दुख की बात है कि आप लोगों के दिल में इतनी भी समझ नहीं है और इतना भी आप लोगों को लिए आप लोगों के पास अपने रिस्पेक्टेड कोलीग्स जो बाहर बैठे हैं उनके लिए जरा भी सम्मान नहीं है। आप लोगों को बुरे दिन आएंगे। I curse you.